So carrying on with the beginner tutorials for cooker repair. Just going to test this switch. It's just basically a thermostat controlled on-off switch. So I'm going to set the meter to continuity, just check it. So that's on there, the sound's on. Check it. It should beep when they touch. That way I'm going to know whether the switch is coming on and off. So basically these work by a bimetallic strip. So as you turn the temperature down and up, that bimetallic strip gets closer and further away from the contact. So when it's at high, it takes longer for it to disconnect. And then when it cools, it will reconnect. So it's pretty simple. So you've just got to test between these two wires. You can hear it buzzing already. So that's at high, it's on. If I go down to 0 and off, it should go off. Back on, off. So I know the switch is good. It's making contact. So when it's on, that should be allowing power now to the element. So if the element is not getting hot, it could be an element problem or a thermostatic control problem. Sorry, a thermal cutout problem. But we know the switch is good because it's going on and off.